Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. Today we are going to talk about AA lithium batteries. Why would you want a lithium battery over, say, an alkaline battery? First of all, lithium batteries, especially the BeVigor brand, is designed to last 4 times longer than a typical top-of-the-line alkaline battery. So that in itself is a big plus. But BeVigor goes a little bit further. They are going to actually put in some safety measures inside of the battery. So if you're like I am, and you are a creator and you have very expensive cameras and camera gear and things like that, or even if, say, you have like the really nice door locks that use, the thumbprint, and you have to have batteries in it, you do not want an alkaline battery in there, first of all, because it's not going to last as long. You're going to constantly be changing them, but it also has the potential to leak or even explode. Well, the BeVigor brand has built-in 3-layer safety to keep them from leaking with a leak-proof top, and they also have an anti-short circuitry built into the battery. So it keeps your equipment safe, keeps you safe. The battery lasts longer. Oh, and speaking of lasting longer, these batteries will actually last up to 20 years on a shelf. So they're going to come in a pack like this, that you'll get 2 of these inside of the box. You could take this box, set it on a shelf. This is 2025. You could go 2035, 2045, and the batteries would still be working. That's truly amazing. So they have a very long shelf life. They last 4 times longer in use than an alkaline battery. They have a lot of safety measures built into it. On top of that, I do a lot of filming outside. So these batteries will work all the way down to -40 degrees in the cold, all the way up to 140 degrees in the heat. So they have a wide range of working very well without missing a beat. They're a 3,000 milliamp battery, so they're going to be able to power pretty much anything that you're going to be putting a AA battery in. So that 3,000 milliamps is going to make these things last quite a while, and you won't have a problem with the power. So guys, if you're needing a really good AA lithium battery, take a good look at the BeVigor brand, because I think they make a very high quality, great product, and I don't think you're going to beat it. So guys, if I was going to rate the BeVigor AA lithium battery, I would have to give them 5 stars, because not only is it a great battery that's going to last 4 times as long as an alkaline battery, and they have that huge shelf life, but they also build in so many safety features that will protect you and your equipment. So do yourself a favor and pick yourself up a set today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next review.